This is an organic animal demonstration, just to show farmers, that you can raise your animals organically. And what we have here is on one bull, 2 goats, and 2 sheep. They have 5 different stations that they graze in, and that's the important part of raising your animals organically or otherwise. Make sure that they don't eat their grass too low to the ground, because what happens is they start sucking parasites out of the dirt, and that's what kills the animals. Within 2 to 3 years, you will see that start to happen. So the key to this is rotating, and don't let them forage too low to the ground. I feed them organic food, which is what I'm about to give them now. I feed them that every other day, and the other